Okay, good afternoon, guys. I'm audible. I should be audible.
Yes, sir.
What about the quiz, everyone? Did you people go through it? Did you people take up the quiz?
Yes, sir, completed.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Did you people download the notes
Yes, sir.
or gone through the notes?
Yes, sir.
Actually, first module, that theory part is the right computer generations, computer types, everything. That it is according to the old syllabus. According to the new syllabus, I did not get anywhere. So as soon as I get, I will share with you guys. So it may take a day or two. Before that, you can start attending the questions. Most of the things you can write generally. It is there in the Google. No problem in that one. And guys, if I am correct, yesterday E1 batch and Thursday E2 batch, I have attended CPS lab. How many people executed the programs in your houses? Okay, I have done my job. I have done my part. What about you people? Guys, online compiler. For that, you need not install even a single line of thing. Just Google it through the browser. It is going to operate. How many of you did try? How many of you tried? Reply in the chat box. Reply in the chat box. How many of you tried? Yenam Arpita, how you felt? Marisha, no. Okay, girls are responding. You people are very serious. You people tried and you are tired. Arpita, Srireka, Shishireka, Monisha. Arpita, how was your experience? Ma? It was the first time you did. Okay. Arpita, ಹೆಂಗ ಅನಿಸ್ತಮ್ಮ? You are from Karnataka, right? If I am correct.
Yes, sir.
Response ಮಾಡಿ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೆಂಗ ಅನಿಸ್ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್? ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ, ಈಸಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ, ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ? ನೀನು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಎರರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇತ್ತ? ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪು, ಕಾಮ?
No, sir.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀನು ಓದಿದ್ಯಾ PU ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Yes, sir. Python ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೆ sir PU ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಅದ್ರ ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. Shishireka, what about you? Did you people did you study programming previously, ma? Shishireka. Shishireka, did you study programming previously? Monisha? Monisha, I think you
So,
are from Karnataka. ಏನಮ್ಮ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
so some of two numbers I did, but I didn't do any. I didn't get. I've got errors.
That's the first step in learning.
Yeah, this is the first time I did in programming, so I got
At
error.
least biggest achievement is you have opened the laptop and you have done something. That is the first step in programming. The first step in programming is opening the laptop and downloading Turbo C or code blocks or using any of the online compiler. Okay, guys, in the lab for both the batches, I think now I caught hold of you in the same session. Earlier it was E1 batch and E2 batch. Guys, by the 1.5 hour we spent, right? 1.5 hour we have spent. In that, did you people come to know first thing? Structure of a C program did you got?
Class
Hmm? Did you people know what is the structure of a C program? Did you people understand what is the structure of a C program? Reply
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Reply yes to chat box. Just yes. Next, structure of a C program consists of first one preprocessor directives, that is header files. One nimsha, I will speak. First, it consists of header files. One nimsha, ಮತ್ತೆ reply ಮಾಡೋಣ. First, it consists of header files, followed by local declarations, global declarations, main, and this might be correct. Any program execution starts from main, no doubt in that one. Any program execution starts from main, no doubt in that one, 100% correct. And executable part. So, did you people come to know which are the formatted input statements and output statements? Formatted input statements and output statements, through which we can give the input to the computer, through which we can get the output from the computer. Reply M if you understood that one. Reply M. Next. Did you people come to know what are format specifiers? That is where to use percentage %d in printf, where to use percentage %f in printf, where to use percentage %d in scanf, where to use percentage %f in scanf. Did you people get to know that one? Did you people understand? If you have understood, reply N. Where to give percentage %d, where to give percentage %f. Next. See as printf and scanf for the formatted input output statements. And next, this is also important. Guys, did you people come to know for which program we should use int, for which program we should use float? Reply F if you have got, if you have understood where to use int, where to use float. Data type declaration. Okay, let us next see. After tokens, the data types. After tokens, so data types, so constants, so structure of a C program. Guys, we have seen in programming first one, what are tokens, what are data types in C, what are constants, flowchart, algorithm, structure of a C program, and first tokens, data types, tokens, data types, tokens, data types, tokens, data types, constants, tokens, data types, constants, formatted input output, structure of a C program, structure of a C program, algorithm, flowchart. And I might have left one more topic, one or two topics. Have I understood all these things? Reply 7 if you have understood. Hey, Jarvek? Class up. Class up. Reply 7 if you have understood. Oh. Guys, I have given the notes. Guys, one more thing, Nodi. People are still. This month 19th bandre. This month 19th, I don't know which day. 15th is Tuesday. 15th is Tuesday. 1 second, 1 nimsha. 15th is Tuesday. Once again, I will go through the calendar.
So Saturday it will be.
Saturday. Yes, Saturday. See, guys, by next Saturday, you people will complete 1 month in this subject. Okay. In this 1 month, some 7 to 8. In this 1 month, I may handle some 25 classes, 20 to 25 classes. In the 20 to 25 classes, starting some 7 to 10 classes, we have wasted for studying theory, generations of computers, so types of software, so everything. And we have spent some 15 hours for studying programming. In this 15 hours, how can you be punters in programming? According to me, if you learn not 1% atom of programming, that's a big achievement. That's a big achievement. You know, if you learn just an atom is the smallest part on this globe, right? If you learn that part of programming, in programming, if you learn that part, it's more than enough, guys. Okay, don't expect yourself to be punters in programming by the first month or the first 15 days of your engineering by studying by starting CPS. Don't expect you people to be punters or the professional programmers. It will take time. Let's go slow by slow. And guys, mm, guys, at least those people are having laptop or computer facility with you people. I don't want to get the number, like how many people have computer or how many people have laptop. Please don't pressurize your parents. Okay, if they are financially good, if they are affordable, Kandita, our parents will gift us. Don't pressurize because of this pandemic. If this pandemic was not there, I could have forced you to get a laptop, at least through loan. In this pandemic, even I can understand the situations of our families, not your families, of our families. So by taking that into consideration, so I don't pressurize you to go for a laptop, but at least those people are being gifted. People, if you have been gifted with a laptop, if you are not using that laptop, it's an unexcusable thing, guys. There is no excuse that one for that one. At least if you have the laptop, it will be more interactive. At least the users, the persons who are having the laptop, it will be better if you use that one. Okay, let's go through the today's topic. So, guys, uh, in the basic programs, I have taken the example of the simple programs only, guys. Area of a triangle, area of a circle, area of a rectangle, area of a circle, and addition of two numbers. Have you used any operators there? Have you used any operators? Operators. Did we use any operators there? Eldro. Have you used any operators in that entire program? In addition of two numbers or any program? Have you used any operator? Operator. What are operators?
Uh, So like plus, minus, integration, differentiation.
What are operands?
The number
See,
on which we are doing operations, sir.
add is equal to A plus B. Here, which are the operators and which are the operands? Add is equal to A plus B. Otherwise, A plus B. Just take A plus B. Here, A plus B star C. A plus B star C. In this expression A plus B star C, which are the operators and which are the operands?
Sir, A, B, C are the operands,
Ah.
and plus and star is the operator. Are the operator.
So operator will work on operands or operands will work on operator? Operators, operators will work on operands. First one, or operands will work on operators. Which is correct, first or second? Operator will work on operands. Operator will work on operands. Or operands will work on operators. Which is correct?
Sir, operators are works on the operands.
What about others? Arpita, Moesha, Mavesh. Others? Why that's today's last hour of the weekend. So we are bored, sir. Others, guys? ಏನು ಹಿಂಗಾಗೋಯ್ತು? 100% guys, correct. Operators work on operands. Let us see what are the operators supported by C. Let us see which are the operators supported by C. So once again, if an operator is working on two operands, we call it as unary operator. If an operator is working on three operands, we call it as ternary operator. You have unary operators, ternary operators. Is the screen visible, Pushkar
Yes, sir, visible.
or Arpita? We have seen the structure of a C program. Algorithm we have seen, flowchart we have seen. Guys, 100% guarantee question. The operators. An operator is a symbol that specifies the operation to be performed on various types of operands. Or an operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform certain mathematical or logical manipulations. The entity on which an operator operates is called as an operand. Is this one clear? Operator and operand. If it is clear, reply OO. Let us see what are the types of operators supported. So next we have the expression. A combination of operands and operators is called as an expression. Unary operation, binary operators, ternary operators, special operators. So we shall see what is an expression. An expression is nothing but it's a combination of operators and operands. Next, classification of operators. Unary operator, binary operator, ternary operator, and special operators. Unary operator means it acts on only one operand. -10, -a, -b. Here, one operator is working on one operand. There is a lot of difference, guys, between a plus b and minus a. If there is -a plus b, there are two operands and two operators. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus a plus j. Here, see here, two operands are there, two operators are there. If you see here, a plus b, two operands are there, one operator is there. Minus a, one operator is there, one operand is there. Okay, like that, we shall see the types of operators based on operands. First one is unary operators, second one is binary operator. Guys, how many types of operators are there? First one ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು mathematical operators. First one ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು mathematical operators. Can you people guess mathematical operators under plus, minus, star, division, percentage? These are all mathematical operators, guys. Can you people guess any other type of operators?
Sir, logical.
Logical. Next. Next, logical operators. Hey, what does greater than or less than symbol give? Even A greater than B and A less than B, they are also symbols only, right? They are also operators or not? First of all,
They are, sir.
hey, girls, 42 is greater than 41. Greater than symbol, what it is doing? Answer matrapa. Okay, let's not waste our time. Arithmetical operators, relational operators, logical operator, assignment operator, increment and decrement operators, conditional operators, bitwise operators, and special operators. So first one is arithmetic operators. Everyone respond A. Everyone respond I. Just I. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ respond ಮಾಡಿ. You people know this one. No need to explain. So go through this one, guys. First one is we have arithmetic operators. So there may be any number of arithmetic operators, but C provides the basic arithmetic operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage, etc. Hey, there is lot of difference between modulus and division. Ten, re 9 divided by 2 and 9 modulus 2. Will these two things give the same answer? What is 9 divided by 2 and 9 modulus 2? Give me the answer. What is 9 divided by 2 and what is 9 modulus 2? That is not even percentage, modulus. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. Simple mathematics. What is 9 modulus 2?
1, sir.
Others? Others? Kritika, Kavya, Krupa, Kritika S, Kusuma, Likita, Lisha, Manasa, Meghana, Monica. Okay, go through this one. Arithmetic operators. These are the arithmetic operators. Next we have relational operators. A greater than B, less than, greater than or equal to, not equal to. You people know all these things, just it's an revision. This is the relational operators. Take time, guys. I won't be in a hurry anytime. I think I have shared the example problems what I have solved, the 3 to 5 example problems save ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕಂಪೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ. I have shared that web addresses to both the labs or one lab batch people I have shared. If you just click on that one, even in your mobile, that program is going to open. I think it will be better if you do that one. Practice. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Apart from that, nothing is there. This is relational operators. Next to logical operators. AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate. See, when will be OR gate true? When will be OR gate, OR gate true? Yes, respond, girls. ಏನಮ್ಮ Saturday ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. If any one input is true, OR gate will be true. If any one or both the inputs are true, OR gate is true. What about AND gate? What about AND, A and D? AND gate? Will you people agree with Naveen? Let's go through this NAND gate and AND gate and OR gates. True and true, it will be true, else it will be false. OR gate, true, false. True, false, true. False. Negation, like a logical not means negation. Wait, I will download the attendance once again. This is logical not. Negation, guys. Logical not means. Next is assignment operator. This we shall see in the next class. You people are exhausted entire week. At least are you people clear with these operators? Guys, arithmetic operator, relational operator, matte logical operators. Guys, respond to this one. Let's end up. Let's find out. Are you people clear with the what is an operator and what is an operand? First, what is an operator? What is an operator? Next to different types of operators, unary operators, binary operators, ternary operators, special operators. Second one, adaito. Third one, different types of operators, arithmetic operator. Next ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಲೇಷನಲ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್. Are you people clear with this one? If it is clear, reply 5. Okay guys, thank you. Have a safe and